Here we're looking at my newest product, the magnetic power coupler for Lego trains. Now, what I'm doing here is I actually have a battery inside of this coal car, and then I have my magnetic connectors in between those two cars and those two cars. And I didn't put a lot of lights inside the train because I just wanted to make this a quick example. But as you can see, we can take this and it connects right up, and then we can take this and just push it slightly towards it, and bang, it comes right on as well. To use this connector, you're going to have to either custom build your own couplers, or you can use the official Lego piece, which is 4022. This is no longer manufactured, but I did acquire about 100 of these, and I offer them for sale on my website for anybody that doesn't want to build their own custom couplers. To show you how I install this in my Lego trains, we're going to take apart this here, remove the standard coupler. Now we're going to take my magnetic coupler. First, we're going to push the wire back and through this, and we're going to snap it down here. And then what I do is I take and put it on the train trucks like that. And I build mine a little funny, so there's a little space in the middle. And what that's actually great for is you can take the wire and slide it right up through the truck mount. Once that's up and through on my trains, I custom build my train cars. And I use this part, which is a modified plate with the holes in it. And what makes this great is now I can fish this wire right up and into the train just like so. And it makes for a really easy connection to hook up your lights. In this way, it keeps the wire completely out of the way of everything. So there is no interference with your wiring anymore. Now we can simply plug this side of the plug into the light bar, put our train back together, and once we have it together, now we can take it back over to the table and let's give it a try. Let's simply line the train up on the track, give it a push over to the car, it lights up. Let's push the next car to it, and it lights up as well. If you like lighting up your Lego city and want to see more awesome products like this, don't forget to check out my website, www.bevinsbricks.com.